Hello guys, welcome back to Winglish by Anjali. So let's continue with some daily use sentence and I hope you will get to learn something new from this video. So for that you have to watch the video till the end. Hi guys, this is Anjali and let's continue without any further ado. But before starting, I just want to mention one thing, that if you are the beginners means if you are learning English, if you are in a process of learning English, this video is really gonna help you out. Number 1, तुम्हारा गुस्सा करना रोज की बात है. Your anger is an everyday occurrence. Your anger is an everyday occurrence. Number 2, मैंने भी दुनिया देखी है. I am also experienced. I am also experienced. Number 3, ऐसा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it happens only with me? Why does it happens only with me? तुम उससे भी गए गुजरे हो. You are even worse than him. You are even worse than him. अपना दिल छोटा मत करो. Don't lose your heart. Don't lose your heart. पहली फुर्सत में निकल. Buzz off at once. Buzz off at once. ऐसे लोग किसी के सगे नहीं होते. Such people are not devoted to anyone. Such people are not devoted to anyone. यह पूरा का पूरा झूठ है. It is an out and out lie. It is an out and out lie. गलती से यह कप टूट गया. By mistake, this cup is broken. By mistake, this cup is broken. मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूँ. I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. ज़्यादा इतराओ मत. Don't show off too much. Don't show off too much. थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर इंतज़ार करो. Wait outside for a while. Wait outside for a while. समय बीत चुका है. The time is past. The time is past. मैं आगे से यह गलती नहीं करूँगा. I'll not repeat it from next time. I will not repeat it from next time. मैं लिफ्ट में फंस गया हूँ. I am stuck in lift. I am stuck in lift. कहीं पे फंस जाने को हम लोग कहेंगे stuck. So हिंदी से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए YouTube पर हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.